As you see, folks, how dusty and dirty this dashboard is. Well, the point here is that to show you how I turn this into a nice and shiny dashboard and infotainment. Folks, as an end result, as you can see, it's technically scratch free, dust free, and any stain free. So a little vacuuming, a touch of alcohol on the microfiber, and as well you could apply a bit of water, just plain water is fine, onto just a smudge onto the part of microfiber, and then you could then use that to remove the spots that are stained, and then follow it up with the dry part of the microfiber. And as simple as that. Mainly the rule of thumb is to not smudge or run your finger when, you know, anywhere on this black trims when it's so dusty and full of dust. That is, if you do that, you're running yourself into scratching that piano black. Much like your paint, if you have any dust on top of it and you run your fingers on top of the dust, then that basically will constitute to the scratch of the black piano finish on the trims around the dashboard. So anyways, that's basically it. It's fairly simple to maintain as much as we can here, and most people think this is really cumbersome and hard to maintain, but it is. First year of driving, year and a half almost of driving this car, and I have no issues with scratching or even you know, maintenance of this. Dust definitely does accumulate along the ways, but it's just the maintenance of it is pretty easy that way, as long as you know those combination of things. So anyways, that's pretty much it. All done. Maybe wipe the mirror as well in the process, and you're all done. Thank you again for watching.